Alright, this is the latest addition to the garden. This is a plum tree I got from Home Depot. This is an AU Rosa plum. It's a variety that was derived from Auburn, I believe Auburn University. She's beautiful. I think it is AU Rosa. So we nickname her Rosa. And my oldest is gonna help me dig the hole to plant her. And yeah. They hate it when I call them a future arborist, but literally every tree out here they've helped me plant. So
that is true. I didn't even think about that. Yeah, those are all mine.
Yep. Cool. So you got some sweat equity in these trees. So let's get started. We've also put together a little black cow garden tone and general what did I use? Like a tree fertilizer. It was an organic
Just a general
organic tree fertilizer or citrus tree fertilizer. It's not a citrus plant, but it's just a tree fertilizer. So that's what we're using. I wanted to put some bone meal in here for root development, but I was all out of bone meal, so it is what it is. The earth will do its job. All right, let's get these. I had raspberry in here, but it did not take, and I realized that we really don't eat raspberries like that. We've got a blackberry bush and blueberries, and I think those will actually do better for our family. So the raspberries, it's too hot down here, and they're too prickly, and it just wasn't a good idea. So it didn't take, and that's just fine. So we'll move these wood chips out of the way and get this hole dug. All right, kiddo, let's get going.
Oh, what do you with the dirt?
Just move it to the side. All right, we'll be back in a minute. All right, still digging. We're in an area in North Carolina where we have loamy, kind of sandy, loamy soil for about the first 12, well, between 6 to 8 inches, sometimes up to 12 inches. And I think we're about to hit, oh, what is that? Is that clay? Oh, that's wood. What in the world? Is that a tree? Oh, okay. That's very possible. I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but there are woods behind us. So it's very possible that this is a tree trunk, or not a tree trunk, a tree root. All right, we got to figure this out. We'll be right back. In the world? I'm like, what in the Brontosaurus bones is this? What is this?
Want me to get a little brush?
It literally feels like an archaeological dig. What is it? Well, you know what? It's good that we're getting it out now, because the tree would have suffered if we tried to grow tragic on top of it, and we wouldn't have known why. Okay. Ah, there we go. That's a big rock or a big piece of wood. Okay, good. Crisis averted. It's not a piece of root. That was a big piece of wood. All right, the digging can commence or continue. All right, so our hole is dug. We wanted to make sure that we had it deep enough so that you see here, this is the bud union because this is a grafted plant. This is the bud union, and we wanted to make sure, just like the manufacturer or the company that potted this plant, they have it so that the soil level is about 2 inches below the bud union, and we want to make sure that we follow the same rule and plant ours accordingly. So we wanted to make sure that our hole was deep enough so that we could do the same thing. I'm gonna put a little bit of this mixture in the bottom, not too much. Okay, put the plant in, or put the tree in. Take this tag off.
Why did it stay on so long? I said, why did it keep it on so long?
So that you know what you're buying.
Yeah, but I said, like, why did we?
Oh, I don't know. Okay. All right.
Let's fill it up with that.
Yeah, we can put some more in there.
What's the difference between that soil and this soil? Well, obviously that one has more good stuff in it.
Well, not good stuff. It's just we're just giving it a little extra boost. And I'm gonna break some of this up, and then we are gonna put the native soil back, but we just want to give it a little extra boost. All right, let's put the native soil back. Let's make sure is it look straight to you? You want to stand up and go back there and see if it looks straight?
Sure.
Or should I do that?
You should do that.
Okay. All right, y'all. Let's go see if it looks straight. Trying to get up without making OPNs, old people noises. Oh, Lord, no, it is not straight.
Why would you turn it the other way? See, think about it. Bam.
Yes, much better. Yes. Yes, much better. Okay. Excellent. Good job, Watson.
Like, looks bad that way?
All right. Let's fill her up.
Fill her up.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna put a little, I think, weed barrier on top of that, and then mulch it, and then it'll be good to go. All right, welcome, Rosa. Welcome to the garden. All right, this is the second addition to the garden. This is Bella. She is a Belle Georgia peach, and I got her from a local nursery, not a big box store, just a local nursery here. And she's beautiful. She's small, but she will grow to approximately 15 Oh no, yeah, about 15 feet tall. So she'll get big as well, and she's a white peach variety. So I'm excited to have her as well, and I call her Bella because, you know, I'm a little on the nose with the names, but sue me. Anyway, we're gonna dig a hole for her where this other raspberry plant was. Like I said, raspberries and my garden didn't work out, so that's where it's going. Oh. All right, Bella Peach. Welcome to the garden. Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
All right. Beautiful. All right. These girls are beautiful. Hey, y'all. I went ahead and got some bone meal. I found this organic bone meal that is pelleted. I've never used pelleted bone meal before, but thought I'd give it a try. Supposedly organic pelleted bone meal, just as a top dress. It's about to rain, so I figured just go ahead and give that a little top dress. It probably doesn't need it. Just makes me feel better. I'm used to putting a little bone meal anytime I plant a new tree or shrub. So just wanted to let you guys know that I was doing that. And that is it for our new fruit trees.